Well, howdy there. Well, welcome back to the Tactical Goose. If you don't know me, I'm Aiden. I am the Tactical Goose. And, beautiful, ain't she? Just got done washing it. And it looks really, really nice being clean like this. So yeah. I'm gonna try out some of this stuff right here. Tire wet. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. I'm gonna put it on there. I'm tired to make them look nice and shiny. But that's not the whole point of it. The main point of this video, I'm going to be going over to my friend Eric, a.k.a. Primetime Fun, a.k.a. Vintage Coin Hub, a.k.a. Level Up Legend. Going over to his house to help him work on his 1958 Volkswagen Beetle. He's been working on it for a while, and he's employed my help. So I'm going to do what I can. So, yeah, we're gonna just do that. This is also gonna be a bit of a vlog, being honest with you. A little miniature farm right here. We got the babies. Not sure if you can see them. Here they are. Little babies in there. Baby ducks and chickens. We got the big chickens right here. This is my pet chicken right here. Come here. Come here, Champ. Her name's Champ. Don't ask me how we got her name. I don't even remember. She was born in the incubator. Come here. She's been raised by people her whole life, so she's really gentle with you. Anyway. Here's all the others. By the way, here's baby goat. That's my goat. She's also a pet goat. She was bottle fed. Yeah, so she's really friendly with you. Anyway, enough of that. So let's go try out some of this tire wet. Wipe all this excess water off of your tires. Get them nice and a little bit dry. Not really dry, but just where the water ain't soaked on there. So we're gonna do that. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to spray some of that on. If I didn't know any better, I'd say that looks a whole lot better. It makes my tires look wet, and that's a good thing. Just for reference, that's how others look. Yeah. That ain't too good, but then you got these. Oh yeah. Real nice and shiny. Looks good for my Ford too. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them. Yeah, that looks real good right there. I done all 4 of them. Made them look real nice and shiny. Oh yeah. What y'all think? Look good? Good. I'm gonna keep using that stuff then. So yeah. I'll wash my hands off real quick, because they are dirty. Perfect. Okay, enough lollygagging. I better get on to the main focus of this video. Okay, next order of business, let's crank this thing up. I got the keys. We're gonna crank it.
Crank easy. Yeah, we'll crank.
We got it to idle. Why am I excited about that? That's a bad sign. Oh yeah! Man, ain't that just beautiful or what? We got it to idle. Great. by the way, we did a couple new things to it. If you can see, new water pump. And also, new radiator. Yay! Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited about that. But, hey, new radiator. So weren't me excited. Oh, yeah. Well, it seems that we're good. Our transmission is full, and it is ready to rock and roll. So yeah, I just realized a little something. This is gonna be the first video of us driving this car around. So that's something right there. Well, sitting here getting ready to leave, and it looks like we're ready to go. So yeah, squeeze in this thing. And if any of y'all have ever gotten in a second-gen Camaro, you will know that you don't really get in the car, you put the car on. They're extremely tight to get in. So, oh, good grief. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, yeah, here we are. Not sure if y'all seen the interior too well, but this is it. It's pretty nice in here. For the 70s, it would have been perfect for as good interiors go. Okay, so let's shut this door. You can put this part back too. Okay. There you go. Now we got Mother Goose back in there. Mother Goose. So yeah, she wanted me to ride up front so I could take videos. So here we go. Man. Well, let's just go. We really know the way to go about this. Whoa!
Come on now.
Oh, come on now.
There's water on it.
No.
No, don't think so. Don't try that one.
He's over here trying to make up why he's doing burnouts. That's my father, by the way. Oh, yeah. Pretty nice ride in here. It really is. It's really smooth. That's the one thing. You don't even feel like you're riding in an old car. It feels so smooth, you know? So, yeah, let's go into a time lapse, shall we? We're gonna be having to stop, get us some gas. Running just a little bit low. So yeah, we're gonna pull in and get us some gas here at the Sprinkles. Go pump it.
Good.
Okay.
Got a nice breeze blowing on.
No. Alright. Now, if y'all have never pumped gas in a second-gen Camaro, I'm about to show you. So on second-gen Camaros, you got this little thing right here. You may be wondering, what's that? It swings out. And here you got your trunk lock cylinder and your gas cap. Take the gas cap out. Remember, there's no little string that ties it on there, so you ain't got something to hold it on to. You got to remember where you left this thing. So you take gas, put it in there. By the way, this thing will take leaded gas because it was made before they banned that stuff. Then you just fill it just like any other car. It is a gas guzzler. Good grief. Anyway. We are done pumping, I think. Yeah, done pumping. How much did we get? We got 13 gallons right there. Anyway, yeah, get back on the road again. Always put your seatbelt on. Never forget it.
Unless you're in New Hampshire.
Unless you're in New Hampshire. There you go. If y'all didn't know, the New Hampshire state that you don't have to have a seatbelt.
If you're over 18.
If you're over 18. So, yeah. Let's make our way over to Primetime Fun's house. Approaching Primetime Fun's house. So yeah, hopefully he's gonna be out there when we get to his house. Hopefully I won't have to go track him down. And here it is, the long-awaited Primetime Fun's house. Yay!
Matt's not here.
I don't think so.
They live in the basement, right?
All right. So,
Are you filming every bit of this? Even when I'm talking?
yeah.
Love you, buddy.
All right. Well, here he is. That is Primetime Fun himself. If y'all are wondering what this is my old tripod.
Yes, sir.
Walking down. This is my old tripod. It kind of broke. Hey, I don't know if I showed you this yet. Here, there's Primetime Fun. We're going down to his garage to come work on his Volkswagen. This is my old tripod. I'm gonna give this to you because I have no more need for it. I got me a new one. I'm gonna try out.
Bro, is that one of those gimbals or is it
No,
just like
it's just a tripod.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
But yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yay!
Bro, wait, I want to see this.
Yep.
What is that? How much did you buy this thing for?
I think it was like $6 at Ollie's.
Bro, it's actually not too bad.
Ollie's,
Dang, this goes-
good stuff.
This thing
cheap.
goes out far.
I know. It got a built-in selfie stick and it's got a tripod.
Dang.
You pull these legs out from the bottom and it's turned into a
This
tripod.
actually looks expensive.
And that was like $5 or like $6.
I know.
It's crazy. Well, shall we?
We shall. I wouldn't film in here.
Okay. As you can see, they're doing a little bit of sanding.
Keep this moving. Don't stay in one spot for a long time and just... This works good close to the tight spots.
Just in case y'all don't know what it looks like, here it is. This is his Volkswagen. It's in kind of bad shape. You know. But hey, it's not terrible. You know, a little bit of work, you can get that thing going good. It's like a manual. Yeah, it's a manual. Okay. Okay. We also doesn't have a motor. Got a transmission. That's about all. This other one right here, I think he said this is his 59. It's got a working motor in it. I don't know if they're gonna put that one in. They hadn't told me, so yeah. This one's a little bit better shape, I'd say, but they're gonna be taking parts off of this one to put on this one. But I digress. Today, me and Primetime Fun are gonna be sanding a little bit on his fender, apparently. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go over there and see if I can, yeah. Right. I don't know about you, but I'm getting kind of thirsty. What do you say?
I say we use overachieving Essentia.
Essential water.
So when you're sanding on the car or you're doing anything where they're cleaning up the yard or whatever, we usually use Essentia. And this has 9.5 pH, which is really good tasting water. You don't want bitter fluoride in your water.
Not jump. You want the good.
That's some good water, boys.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, go get some Essentia at your local store. It's usually about $2.50 to $3 for a 1 liter container. So yeah.
Hey, so we just almost we got pretty much the whole panel sanded down to bare metal, except right in here, this little headlight bezel. Primetime Fun is gonna do that. He's gonna do that. And we got to do the underside too.
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
Kids, you should probably be wearing eye protection, but I'm not a kid anymore. I'm 16, so.
Hey, I'm still basically a kid though.
Yeah. You still look like you're maybe 9.
Oh, come on. Not 9.
What? Not 8.5?
No. I'm just gonna let Primetime finish that up, and then I'm just gonna let him finish that up, and then we'll get back to you about, yeah. Well, here, slaving away.
Yay!
Anyway, basically, got to get.
We're done
this
with
in
the
here.
front side at least.
Yeah, we're not gonna take this down to bare metal back here.
Yeah, we're just gonna get the major rust off.
Yeah.
But major rust is literally nothing. Like, this thing is basically so
It's solid, yeah.
solid, you know.
Yeah.
But it's just a bunch of stuff.
Well, let's just get back into it. So now we're gonna be wiping this whole thing down with some wax and grease remover.
Yep, we're making sure we get good enough on there. You know, get a good amount just on all the areas we've sanded.
Is that strip paint off?
No, I don't think it. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. It's just the regular clean strip.
Yeah.
We're just getting it good and clean, and then we're gonna start on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Now look at that.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Quick note. When you're working with anything flammable like lacquer thinner or this cleaning grease, you want to make sure to leave your rags outside just in case a spark or something might occur inside your shop or your house or wherever you're doing this. So, you know, you just want to make sure to leave these outside, you know, maybe clean them or let the rain clean them off. So, yeah. This is bent like this so that it can make that big turn right there, you know?
Yeah.
So it might be a little harder to get all this paint and rust out, but we'll get it. Yeah, we got the Milwaukee M12. Woo woo! Yeah. Yes, sir. That's amazing.
Oh yeah, look at it shine.
Yes, sir. Putting some more of that wax and grease stuff on it.
Yep.
Making sure it's good and on there.
The outside looks beautiful. And I don't mean like, you know, I just mean it looks clean. Well, the outside is pretty much done. We got to get in there.
Which that'll be probably for a later day.
Yeah.
There we go.
So for right now, you think we're done?
Yeah,
we got
pretty much.
All right.
There we go.
Yay!
Okay, now look, we're gonna get a paper towel.
Paper towel. Guys, a sad thing happened today. This new tripod that I just got broke.
It's a piece of crap.
It's a piece of junk from China. This little thing had two of these, and one of them came loose. So don't buy this if you go to Aldi's. Just don't waste your money. It'll break.
So yeah.
So Primetime Fun hooked me up with this little new tripod. We did a little bit of redneck ingenuity. We just drilled a hole through my old stand, put this thing on there, and it works. Would you believe it? It works just fine. So yeah.
Guys, we are finished doing the sanding. It's obviously nighttime,
I know
so
it looks nice. My phone kind of died, and so
we had to wait.
yeah. So but that was the whole video what you saw right there before my phone died. So
Okay, talk to you
anyway.
guys on the next episode. Bye.
I want you, I need you, oh God.
These outside, you know, maybe clean them or let the rain clean them off. So yeah.
so it don't blow up.
Bro, how do you stop? It won't stop.